Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quez to tell you in this tutorial how to go for your Gmail recovery password in case you have lost your Gmail password, someone who has stolen your Gmail password. Yes, but unfortunately you forgot your Gmail password or hijacked. What's the easy way to rescue of your Gmail? We will see, even if you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. By a common method, if you try and it's saying that you did not provide enough information, then however, how do you especially recover of it? We will see live. Right now, this area has been provided by or recommended by especially one viewer who has lost her especially device, and due to losing her device especially, now she is not in a position to rescue her Gmail password because of she doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phones now. So is not the possible, and Google is giving the two options. One is to recover your accounts, to try again and answer his question. So, and the second is that yes, if your account is managed with any alternative email and family links, then we have send the email to you, the parents, to change your password. Of course, this is not possible from here now. Only two options. Can I have the more options to address? Of course, this can be the possible, guy. How it is? We will see live here. We will tap on a Play Store, take any smartphones, guys, and here, yes, we will have to click on a yes Play Store search bar, and in search bar there we will have to write here that VRAVE web browser. Of course, we will go for here. So we'll tap to install. So its total size is approximately 87 MB. So scarcely it will take 2 to 3 minutes to complete installation, guys. So we will wait here. On the other hand, two changes is very crucial on check it out that how in the browser you are using on any smartphones, that by that smartphone, by that especially smartphones you would like to navigate to other and customize the precise location and especially rescue of your emails. There is a trick by that, of course, by providing substantial information easily. ID can be Gmail ID can be again, of course, or rescue. So how it is? First and foremost, let's tap on a Chrome browser and we will come in app info, and this text, of course, we will have to apply. This is a mandatory before the rescue of it. So just we will make a notification off, and then of course we will tap on here and we'll come in permissions too. Of course, we'll have to navigate the location, guys. So we will tap on the location, make the precise location off, and thereupon of course we will click on a don't allow anyway. Now we will back here, and when we back here, then free up the space in these things, remove the permission and the free up space. Of course, we will make it disable, and thereupon we will back here, and yes, we will come on open by default. So open by default, here it is, a browsing app. Yeah, just we can say remove all the permission free, and of course we will cut it from here. Open by default on especially Google browser, there will be especially show. We will come on here, and here is a Google browser. Fine, so you will have also, especially if you are using Android and a smartphone, so that, and we will come in a especially notification, make it disable, and upon notification when you have disabled, then we will have to come in a permissions to, of course, we'll tap on a location, make the precise location of, click here, don't allow anyway. So no longer the function as intended of this browser, hence especially after disable off these things. Now here we will have to back one more time, guys, and when we back, then we will have options that here open by default. So this thing is very crucial. Here you will have enable, guys, show the make it disable. Yes, make it disable, and thereupon if you disable, then everything will be a dysfunctional of it, and thereupon here just free of space, especially remove the permission and the free of space, we will make it disable, and thereupon here see now the everything we have the modified here. So now we will have to wait for especially complete installations in this browser, guys. So what we can here, it's a total size of approximately longer, yeah, 100 MB. So now so waiting for especially the complete installation, then we will go for the rescue of easily, and how easily I will show you that there will be more options to the rescue of this email particular, and thereupon of course I will show you without having the recovery email, the recovery phones, and without having the password. Of course, we will rescue, and we'll go for add a new recovery phone number inside of there, and then anytime in this area will be permanently secure. So, and waiting for complete 20% is especially completions, guys. 83% we have the completed, 84% is completed. Now it's taking a little bit delay especially. And any query, any confusions, that then of course you can raise the query below the comment box. In course of time I will reply to everyone's guys. And if you are unable to execute these things, then of course if you don't have the problem to disclose your Gmail in a public domain, and then of course yes, I will rescue and I will deliver to you. Don't worry, either it is old Gmail or new Gmail, of course. Don't worry, easily this can be. So now see here, we have the completed to install in front of you especially guys. Let me, now it's initiating to install, and when we install, then we will tap to the open here. Can I tap to open? So now we are directly on here this. Now see what we will do here, just we will go for, don't click on anything, leave it. Yes, we will go for maybe later, so that we will quickly access of all the things especially. Now waiting for especially I'm the browsing this thing. So of course we will tap on here, right here, Google. When we tap on our Google's, then what will happen, see here will be a sign options. In sign option that we will have to attempt here. When we tap to the attempts, and then of course here we will have to write here this particular ID. Yes, finds these translations, leave it, and thereupon of course we will try to especially and go for next. Now is it see, especially password is the recommending files. We don't have a password guys, what we can here. Don't worry, of course now the phone is detected that this ID is locked in, especially on these particular phones. We will go for skip these things. Now we'll go for approach alternative options. So last password, did you remember 3 option I've given? 4 option is given. So last one 4 digits. Don't text and call if you don't know this particular number. Otherwise text will be a generated OTP there, and thereupon you know that yes, beneficiary will be able to gain it information so that someone is trying to recover of this. So we will click on a try don't have. Now see here is options that answer as many questions as we can. Second, use a device where we have the sign in before. Third is that your account is managed with the family link, so we have sent an emails to the parents, means alternative emails we don't have. So here is also 6 options, and then especially more tips to address in this email. So of course we will pick this one and quickly we will recover it, but don't click on here, otherwise in this account would be a freeze. That time they're trying to rescue this ID via reference browser. So yes, here is a setting of this smartphone. We will tap on it, and thereupon when we tap on it, then of course we'll have the Google services and preferences. Did you check ever that this thing is this facility is especially is available in especially any smartphone and Android? Yes, here is Google service and the preferences. Yes, we will click on especially M3 dot, and there is a help option is given guys, no problem at all. We will head to there, and upon here simply we will have to come on a search bar of help, and right here hacked Gmail recovery. When you tap on it, and then of course this give you one options that yes, secured or hacked or compromised Gmail account or Google accounts. Yes, we will go for on here, then we have option here. Click on review your account activities. Of course we will go for here. Now here is options that find out if your account has been hacked. Click on. One thing more clue I would like to tell you here, if you would like to know how many devices are locked with this, then here we will have options that here is not given. So yeah, here review which device you uses. When we will click on here, then of course here is options that review on it, but don't click on here. I don't have much time, so click on a special hacked, find out if your Gmail, so you would be here now directly. Then of course we will click these changes to the cruise here. Now here is the recovery page. We will tap on it, and directly we will be on a recovery mode directly. Google will assist you, don't worry, everything will be. Now this site has been automatically recommended. Can I click on here to next? Now see here what you see guys here. Do you have any dots in that? This cannot be recovered. Got. Now this is all about guys. Further, yes, 2-3 things in that instruction I would like to give you. Don't click on a continue, otherwise you would be trapped in its verify you option, and you don't have the recovery phone. So firstly we will have to remove this recovery number, and thereupon we will have to add a new recovery phone number, so that this ID will be permanent secure. But if you would like to add a recovery new number, then firstly we will have to add the recovery email. So we will tap on especially update password. So here is options to the create and confirm the password, and when we click on here, write the password, go for save it. So when we save it, then you will have a Google account management options or Google management account especially options. There you will have the security option. There you will have a one feature, that's a recovery email and recovery phone. So there firstly we will have to add the new recovery number, sorry, recovery phone email and the phone. After adding that, yes, you can remove a phone number and you can add a new phone number. So on a live screen, so we cannot go for ahead of some of these things because of this would be in a public domain, and this is a privacy concern of this viewer, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorials. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye. And how do you like this tutorial? Don't forget, leave feedbacks below the comment box, guys. Your feedback is very essential and of course inspirational for me to make it such as informative tutorial further or not. Thank you very much indeed.